Send that motherfucker to the gulag. Wala, nasawa na ako sa family friend. It's fuck this shit right now. And
Okay,
the other F is silent.
Help me! Help! Uh-oh. Alistar, please. Please, help.
I want no beef. But goddamn, this beef hurt. I want no beef, but that beef hurt like a motherfucker. Siya ka,
Shako.
Ingat ka. Oo, ingat ka, pre.
Ay, kala ko pa... Ay, what? Oh, yeah, I forgot there's a Shako. Forgot about that detail.
Ay! Well, then.
Well, hello there.
Well, how do you do? One is not like the other. And we just found that.
Oh, wow.
Nanay ko talaga favorite itong Alistar. Pansin ko lang, pre.
Moo. Fucker, moo.
No.
Anong kalabaw yan?
O yung streamer yung nagmura. Well, shit.
I didn't say, censor everything, I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead. Am I dead?
Post ka na.
I am
Yes,
not
no?
dead!
You are alive. That is the opposite of dead.
Man, just
Ay,
Malphite.
no shit.
Okay. Ay, mommy!
You are dead.
I am dead! Nasaan yan? Yun nga lang, wala tayong damage.
Ano.
Pati rin ako na-stun, pre.
The sword.
Ano yun, man?
Wait lang. Nice. Nami. Shako. Tangina mo. Kita kita. Bye-bye. Dead. Oh, never mind.
Hindi, ano yun eh, Japeke. Sadly. But
Scam.
you're right, it died.
No, help me. People of the Philippines.
Hindi ka gagalaw mo, okay?
Kanina ka pa eh. Kanina ka pa. Yung Alistar. Okay. Goods. Ooh, what the fuck by Laguin?
Beautiful.
Yung...
Times to.
Good shit. I approve.
Tinatawag ka daw, Sky.
Nino ni mama mo.
Sabi daw niya, yun.
Yung,
Putang ina mo, Max?
why are you like this? Ba't di lumalaki yung ult ko? Yon, lumalaki na siya! Lumaki ka pa!
Alam ko, kailangan mo pati upgrade yung SS mo bago lumaki yan. Tignan mo nga sa description.
Man, I don't care, I don't know. Okay?
Right. You don't read.
I don't read. I think you forgot that detail, bro. Pikik! Aro, Nico! Ay, Diyos ko Lord. Help me!
Oh, he did help you. Oh.
He got the moves. Nice! Oh, something good. Bro, why does this tree want me so bad?
Putik tong si Mags. Ngayon ko lang nakita yung snat niya sa Senpo. Sa chat.
Senpo.
Senfo.
Fotang,
Senfo.
Boom!
Oh, hindi ko yun. Putang ina.
Sasabihin ng ganyan.
That's okay.
Sino ka ba?
Ang putik na ito ah.
Push!
There we go.
Trabaho!
O yan.
You may be dead, Sky. Just a maybe, though. Ay, ba't mo nilapit sa akin, Pipe? Diyos ko, Lord. Kill that! Yes, glorious evolution!
Sayang na block.
Sayang.
Oh, well, we don't have to guess who's who.
Well,
Laguyan! Nguyen is dying! Help Nguyen! Or
I
when?
died.
If you're politically correct. When? Kill the rat! Okay, the rat is dead.
I am the superior rat. Katik, 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 katik.
No.
Oh, yes, yes. Murder! No, not murder. Unalive.
Oo, oy,
La.
sa TikTok ka, bawal yan. Alam ko bawal yan sa TikTok eh.
Really?
Oo,
Is
kahit
that,
yung pag-mention lang ng ano,
is that how sensitive
hit,
TikTok is?
yes. Kahit yung pag-mention lang ng hit or
I think that's
action.
I think that's for ano. Um what do you call that? I think that's for reels.
Sa ano lang.
I think. Don't quote me on that though.
Tuwa ako sa pag nag-ipare siya paalis.
I don't want this. Nice charm. Nice charm for ferocity.
Di yung... What the
Bro,
Uy, just go! May siya ako.
si George yung narinig ko na.
For ferocity.
Oo nga, si George din nagparamdam.
That's fine.
I messaged him. I am so sorry.
No, Max is dead. Kill him! Murder! What?
Uy!
Crazy drowned man.
Ooh!
Nguyen! Nguyen! No!
Nguyen went in!
He is going out, I think. Kill that.
I am false.
Wait!
What?
Nice!
I didn't get an assist.
The sword.
Puta.
Oo ba?
May ult pa ba yung Kennen? Hindi ko nakita nag-ult eh.
Ayoko. Sa totoo lang pre, ayokong hulaan.
That's the answer. That's the answer right there. You wanted an answer, right? Well, there you go. Ay! Naka-cooldown skills ko! Man, I suck with this shit. Guys, kalmahan nyo please lang. Oh, when wants to go in? When went in? Alone.
When?
Oh my god, when? I don't want to be a part of this.
Into the shit! Into the shit!
Into the shit, we go.
Into the shit! Into the shit of it!
I am alive. I'm dead.
No longer.
Well.
Into the shit of
I don't want to be a part of this. I don't want to be a part of this anymore. Oh, what? How?
I told you long ago on the road.
I got what you waiting for. Help me, Timo. Help me. Help.
I am trying! I can't even help myself!
Shaco
Really?
One Piece. Why don't I have damage? Huh? That is my question.
You're
Oh.
not skilled yet.
I am not skilled. What?
Scaled.
Oh, scaled. Okay.
Grabe naman to.
I don't know, man. More. Oh. Fuck this game, bro.
Where did that come from?
I thought I can.
No, I get what you were trying to do. But where did that noise come from?
So boxes ni Shaco. What?
Pretty much.
That's kind of bad. That is bad. That is bad. That is bad. How many hooks do you have, bro?
Yes.
Jesus. There's Swain, there's Darius, there's Spike. Never mind. Wala na saan yung Blitzcrank pati trash.
Nautilus.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, really?
So, Axel,
Hmm.
If there's the bled, there's the crap.
Shut up!
Are we really gonna continue this bit of last night? Come on, man. Who is streaming?
It continues.
Oh no.
Ah! Ooh, what?
Okay.
Never mind.
Oh, the blade.
The blade. That's not racist, but
The blade.
the blade.
Let
Do you know the muffin man?
tapusin ko muna acting doon niya.
I need to.
Easter Bunny came early. Come here.
I need to touch him.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What?
Nothing. Oh god. Now it's
Oh,
Darius.
God.
Grabe have been.
Oh,
What?
What?
please help me.
What yun?
Okay. They don't see me. They don't see me.
Oh, 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 oh.
Why did you suddenly become a monkey there, Axel?
When you have to survive, man, you go back to your roots. Shit.
That's not something I wanted to hear.
Wolf.
Grabe, bakit magaling mag-support yung armpit sniffer?
Yuck.
Kaya nga eh.
Baka may inaamoy siya ngayon, pre.
May ano yan. May buff yan.
Pero may buff ba kapag may inaawit ka? Grabe naman.
Malay mo, tanongin mo.
Parang ayoko mag-chat.
Don't fuck around, fine.
Sipan si Mags eh.
Okay lang yung pre, papanalo tayo ni Armpit Sniffer.
Tangina, sana wag na.
Anong pangalan yun?
Siya lang yung pamoy na buhay.
Yun nga pre, siya lang yung hindi namamatay. Doon ka magtataka. Heart steal, heart steal. Heart steal.
Pinapasalamatan ka ni Armpit Sniffer.
Tanggap mo ba yun?
What?
Na nagpapasalamat sa'yo si armpit sniffer.
Bakit? Gagi
Ewan ko sa kanya, na pre, amoy na amoy niya yata.
Why? Why me?
Yeah. Really?
Kailangan ko na mamatay, pero hindi pa ako namamatay.
Tulad ni Armpit Sniffer.
Kutsagin na.
Tanga na pre, yan talaga dapat nang mamatay.
Kung may hi Jack, may hello Jack. O kaya hello Jill.
Tang ina mo.